What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can run Ollama with Codex. So to get started, the first thing that you need is the Ollama. So you need to install Ollama on your system. So go to this ollama.com and copy this command from here. Now open up the terminal and simply paste this command right here. Once you run this command, it's going to download and install Ollama for you. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to run this command. Next, you'll go back to this website and click on this models section. Now from here, we need to choose a model and download that using Ollama. So the model that is best for local AI right now is the Gemma 4. So I'm just going to select this model. And if you scroll down, you can see you have plenty of options. From here, you have the E2B, E4B, you have the MLX versions if you are using the Apple Silicon. So this is going to work better on your MacBook. So use the MLX if you are using MacBook and Apple Silicon. So for example, simply choose this Gemma 4 E2B and copy the name of this model. Now right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say Ollama run, paste in the name of the model, hit enter. Now if you are doing this for the first time, if it's not already downloaded, it's going to first download it for you, and then you will see this send a message. So it loaded up the model in the memory now, in the VRAM or in the unified memory in case of Mac. So let's say hi. You can see it's thinking now, and it came up with hello, how can I assist you today? So yeah, it's working fine. Now if I say /by, it's going to exit out of it. And if I say Ollama ls, this lists out all the models that I already have downloaded on my machine. Now to run these models with Codex, the first thing we need to do is go to the Ollama, the desktop version. Once you set up the Ollama, you will get this desktop version, the GUI version as well. Now go to this Ollama and go to settings. Here you need to make sure that this context length is set to anywhere between 64K to 128K. 64K is the recommended. I choose 128K. I've seen better results with this. So yeah, for you, you should choose 64K. Now close this. Now we need to go back to the website, and right here you can see we have these commands. You can run the Ollama with Cloud Code, Codex, OpenGLA, Hermes. I have videos for all of these if you want to run Ollama with these AI tools as well. So right now we want to do it with Codex app. So simply copy this command and simply paste it right here. Now for this -- model, you can choose whatever is available for you. For me, let's choose this Gemma 4 E2B for the sake of this video. If you have like 16 gigs or 24 gigs of RAM, you can use this one as well, 12B MLX, or maybe higher 21B as well. But for now, E2B is fine. So I'm just simply going to hit enter. You can see it says restart the Codex to use Ollama. I'll say yes. And it restarted the Codex. And now let's say hi here as well. You can see it's thinking. Now this one right now, our Codex is using Ollama. It's not using the OpenAI's models right now. I'll show you in a bit. So it thanked for some time and it came up with a response. Now, if I close my internet here, so I'm offline now. If I say hello again, you can say I'm still offline and it worked for 0 seconds, and yeah, it's responding. Hello again, I'm here, ready whenever you want to start working. Okay, let's tell it, give me a C++ function that prints prime numbers in a range. So it's working again, thinking, and it generated a response. You can see this is the code, C++ code that is going to print out prime numbers. Yeah, so this is it. This is how you can run Codex with your local models using Ollama. So I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.